Hai ti tau ba? Tu nya hi Guwahati. Zua ka chi ko do. Anh yêu qua hiện zua bet non bet set na ka pui.
Oi, gun gun.
Orange. Gun.
Hello.
Zu lang i thun phat do le pe ke tin lampi Guwahati lampi highway lampi samkhat ana veo hete. Fly over asa ji. Ni tha lang tin lai traffic sin ji ku wang hena. Traffic a o de so la hete. Lasa ta construct.
Ilan sa din?
Bangkim te in
Dawil sa labas.
Jan nangato hono.
Yes, it's a lobster.
Kasi hit ba?
Eat. Nom 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 nom.
Nom nom ah.
Nom nom.
Construction. Hi, kita. Say hi. Say hi.
Hi.
Where are you going, Bangkim?
Hi.
It's spicy though.
Kaya na chidem na.
Why na chidi ham? Why na chidi ham?
I'm going to zoo kita.
I'm going to.
Okay, you're going to choose. Eh, pao hello ngan chang, eh, pao tholo ngan chang. Welcome to Assam State Zoo. Oh yes.
Where I put this?
Yay.
Where I put this?
Look, all kinds of.
We'll try later on. Zoo kan rung ka ve. Oh, heno miong chu ti za sa.
Yeah. Let's try. It's a bird. Where's the animal?
Zoo na thun tam. Ano me na? Kati za be se mi hem chu mi hem hoi ka mi he kati za be se. Henu ve bo lai na. Ale. Do not complain. Ve bo ticket counter zong chu. Na se be se. Kati za. Alo di ho. Naya tiket la di ho. Medium sing. Ako pa. Yo, online na agad sila ako. Sige. Magsalo ito. Minyan hibe mo.
Tiger. Mama.
Hi.
Mama,
Na dan hito. Na na. Suko menu masabale. Bangkim lang mo basta Jihi.
Over there.
picture.
What do you see?
Hello. Your biggest fan.
Do you see this hornbill?
Silver peason.
And this.
Oh, what's in the hello?
And here.
Mobile, alia, raja. Mana nak mobile?
Paam mo
Do you see that?
Zero.
Where is it?
There. Moving.
You see?
Mama,
That looks so cool.
Mama, I've never seen this before. I've never seen this. It looks like a cow and deer both mixed together. You already go zoo. No, I haven't. Only one time. Hello. Oh. Mama. Who's that?
이편
Huh? Look at that. I think it's a reindeer.
질 발상.
It's a tricky. How did it go? Hey, one bird is there. One bird. Where? No, three birds. Four, 5, 6, 7, 8. Many birds. Many birds are there. One bird is there. 7. Let's go. Cheese. Baboon. It's not baboon, it's monkey. La, go to left.
आरो एती है की असली है की को There's no back. Let's go. Come on, let's go. Mama, Einstein. Come on, let's go. Why am I sleeping inside the cave? Bear. Big bear.
Oh, look at the black bear.
I shoot it.
Get down.
What was the turtle?
Mouse deer.
Oh, this is a mouse deer.
Hey, there's one bird there. Vulture.
Where? There is vulture. Palain, Griffin. Vulture.
Hey, Jaguno.
So big. Look at my hand. Look at my hand here. Bye.
Ay, dak sana.
Paneo, come. Tigers. No. This Look, tiger. It's very cool. Papa?
Huh?
What do you see? What do you see?
We've already seen the whole thing.
Let's say here.
Papa, look. There's two here. Oh, the two.
Let's go. It looks like a deer and cow both mixed together.
Yeah, it looks like a deer.
It looks like a donkey also.
Look,
Deer and donkey.
another.
Oh, another is there. It's like
Another one. Black. It's outside. It's black color. Yeah, it's outside.
unicorn. Alam ako unicorn. Another one na. Looks like unicorn na pa.
No, now let's go home.
Let's go home. Monkey was screaming at me as about to bite me.
There's so many zonkey.
Zonkey monkey. Baby.
Ah.
Oh, look, another deer.
Some deers are also there.
There's deer. Deer and rhino. One horn rhino is there. It's only deer. Only two rhinos are there. They are not fighting. Why would they fight? Go fight. Go play and fight. Why would they fight? You said. You said you fight. Go. Why would they go?
Where is it? Wow, what do you go in?
What is that?
Let's follow it. It looks like
Emu, the second biggest bird in the world.
Imo jing di he.
Two ewes are here.
Wo kana kablaw sila. Yuna, go inside. Hey, what are you doing inside?
Being monkeys.
Come on. Huh? What is that? Nah, it's okay. Ibit yan. Kamu pot itu. Hey, kalau di khop. Come, let's go. Mami और चिता तो. हाँ. Hey. जानो.
Yang kana dusan lo. Ka zo zo mu tena le.
Gari nungthun tawe. Wow.
Lalu ngomong Harry so thrilling na. Yes. Hop dancing. Ko ina tin cha do lo pin na. Ki ho kai leo hen. You just
Now let me close the filming. Let me end.
pa ki so lo tin.